Going on, Family Black Finish checking in right now. I am at the headquarters in McGee, Arkansas. Man, I'm at Mama's house, getting everything situated. Pretty much doing a lot of touch-up work, getting stuff lined out. Still got a lot to do, but things are most definitely feeling like a home. You know what I mean? I most definitely feel good to be here. Still tired, you know what I mean? Like body tired. Like I've been doing little stuff, had to get some rest here and there. But I'm proud of how things been going, man. So we're gonna walk through real quick, show y'all a smaller update. It's been going though, you know. Been getting the rooms cleaned up, getting everything cleaned up. Pretty much just different little stuff. Bathrooms most definitely coming along. It's coming along pretty good. And like I said, we've been getting this room organized. Pretty much what we're gonna be doing, doing our clothes and stuff at. Look, cleaning up room at the moment. You know what I mean? We'll put and then we got our room, which right now I just got a blow up queen mattress in here. You know what I mean? While we get everything situated, so get it together. Good. Most definitely coming on along, family. And my grandbabies. My oldest daughter up here. It's our first picture, but we got some more though, so some more coming. It's coming on along though, ain't it? It's coming on along. You get the hog on, family.